Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, and I was going to do a full-on garden tour for you this morning, but time just did not work out. Today's the last day of my show, Trail to Oregon, so I've got to run to get ready for the performance. But I did want to do a quick video for you because a lot of people have been asking for an update on the Shampoo Ginger. Have we had any blossoms yet? Have I been able to use it as shampoo? Not yet, but I will go and take you in and show you what it looks like right now because it's really pretty. There it is, the Shampoo Ginger plant. It's growing up big and strong, and these variegated leaves are so pretty. Now, I haven't seen any flower stalks at all yet, but I've noticed that in the last few days, we're seeing a lot more shoots come up from the bottom, and I don't know if these are going to be flower stalks, because the flower stalks do come up from the ground, not from the actual plant itself. So these are more of like, here's your solar panels, and then, the stalk comes up from there. But they are putting out a lot more new shoots just in the last few days. Now, I think part of the problem that it hasn't flowered yet is because I had it in full sunlight. I did not research apparently enough. I figured tropical plant gets lots of sun. No, this is a dappled shade plant. So I've now moved it here behind the bean trellis, so it's going to get dappled shade. It'll get a little sunlight, but not nearly as much indirect as it did. So I'm hoping that that will help it to flower. But that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and I'm heading off to my show, so I will see you later. Bye-bye.